What's with all these shootings? There have been 6 shootings in Chucktown. Seriously. There have been reports that some people have gotten hurt, and one person from one of the shootings here in Chucktown has died. I mean, you people that are going out there hurting people just for the hell of it, you people are nothing but a bunch of punks. Yeah, I said a bunch of punks. Going out there killing people, going out there hurting other people just for the hell of it. That's not even right. That's not even called for. All these shootings need to stop. Period. Before someone else gets hurt or possibly killed. All these shootings need to stop. But these people who are going out there committing these violent crimes, as I said, you people are nothing but a bunch of punks. Bunch of punks. And all this violence needs to stop. Period. These people who are going out there killing people, hurting other people, just enjoy seeing others hurt, others killed, just for the freaking hell of it. I think people have lost their minds going out there. Instead of talking things out, they would rather go out there and shoot people just for the freaking hell of it. This is not right at all. Y'all must enjoy killing people, hurting other people, seeing other people hurt, seeing other people die and stuff like that. This is not a game, people. Wake up. But as I said, this is not a game. You people need to wake the fuck up and stop all this killing, because, as I said, I've been trying to say this a long time ago. Violence never solves anything. Violence solves nothing. Squash it.